Welcome to probably my most favorite topic of the course. That's graph searches. Now, we're just doing searches right now. There's going to be three algorithms that we're all going to be doing here in a few moments for this playlist. All of the algorithms have a very specific item that they're trying to do. Yes, they're going to be searching through a graph. That part is why it's under graph searches, but all of them do it in a very different fashion. And number two, all of them have kind of a different goal, so be very careful about that. Sadly, it's on the very bottom here, but if you're tested on this, a lot of people trip up which one's supposed to do what, so be very, very careful, and I try to outline why we're using them, particularly for this application. Now, these are all going to be called traversals. They're all going to worry about some type of vertex, which is basically like a node. You're going to see a lot of data structures are used in this. Stacks, queues, arrays, links. Man, there's a ton of stuff that's being out there, and maybe a little bit of that disjointed sets that we talked about too. So there's a lot of things that are going to be going on behind the scenes. And the amazing part is that we've talked about how we build all of our graphs. Maybe you did it by a linked list. Maybe you did it by a 2D matrix. All of these things that are behind the scenes would be made up just to create and be able to do these applications. So compared to some of the other data structures we've talked about before, graphs depends on a ton of mostly simple data structures just in order for it to do its job. So keep that thought behind, in the back of your head there when we're going through all the different search algorithms that we cover here in a moment.